Hey guys, so today I'll be speaking about the LeetCode problem move zeros. It states that we are given an input array nums and we have to write a function such that we can move all the zeros to the end of it, maintaining the order of the other non-zero elements. So one caveat is like we have to do it in place without making a copy, and we have to minimize the number of operations. So let's take this example that we have been given, like 0 1 0 3 12. So okay, let me rub this out. It's written 0 1 0, I believe it's 3 12. So what we can do is like we can implement this using the help of two-pointer system. So what I mean by that is, so we will maintain a pointer here and here. Let's say this is I and this is j, such that while j traverses through the array, we have to move I only if the position at pointer I is a non-zero element. What I mean by this, let's say this example only we take. So in the first step it will be 0 will be replaced by 1 because the position at I is a 0 element. So this will become 0 comma 0 3 12. I will come here, j will point here. Next, in the next step we find that the element at j is 0, the element at I is also 0. So we will just ignore this case. So we will only consider the case when I has a 0 element and the position at j pointer is a non-zero element. Only then we will replace these two elements. Otherwise we will just let the j traverse it, and if the element at position I is a non-zero element, will also increment I. So it will be the same. So let me rub this. This will come here. Now we find that position at j is a non-zero element, and the element at position I is a 0 element. So we will interchange the values. So it will be, so we will just take this and okay, so this is it. So here we will replace it, then 0 and 12. So I will point here, 3 will then come, j will come here. Again we find that it is a 0 element and the element at position j is a non-zero element. So we'll again interchange that. So it will be 1 3 12 0, and this 0 will come here, 0. So that's the final answer. Okay, so let's implement this in code. So remember that we have to move this element pointer at element I only if the element at that position is a non-zero element, and we will interchange only if the element at position j is a 0 element, I mean a non-zero element, and the element at position I is a 0 element. So that's the whole story. So let's implement this. So we'll take I equal to 0, j equal to 1, and we will traverse till j is less than num dot length, and here we will check if nums j not equal to 0 and nums I equal to 0, we will interchange. So this is a short form of interchanging the elements. This will be array I, comma array j, array j, comma array I. Next we need to check if the element I position is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, we can safely increment I, and lastly we have to increment j always, and then here we will return nums. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, there is an error. Let's try to find why there is an error. I guess it will be something like this, maybe. I'm guessing it will be something like this. Let's run this now. Okay, I guess I just misspelled this. This will be nums, not array. My bad. Okay, let's run this now. Okay, accept it. Let's submit this. I guess that's it. If you like this video, do leave a like and don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.